Okay, I try to put this Word file or make it in PDF file and put it in your Microsoft Team. Now you know everything about the Verilog language, even more than the CMP 223. Something that I told you is enough for the CMP 223 and also CMP 224, your next semester course. That's why you know many things, and also you can check the Google and find different PDF file and find many video on the YouTube and other tutorial. And now you know enough about the Verilog language. Let me check your lab sheet. Okay, this is the lab sheet number 6. Actually, the Verilog language for this latch and flip-flop. Okay, the first one is the SR flip-flop. You can know that the R, S are your input and they are your output. This is the code, and now you can write this code very smart, okay, because you know everything about the Verilog language. So now our job is easy. Just write the module and the name of the module. Don't forget to write the name of the module correctly. It must be the same as your project name. And this is your input and output, and your register. You can see that Q and Q bar is your output and R your register as well. You have always, so the condition of the always is S, R, Q and Q bar. So if one of them change it, you can go to the always block, and this is between begin and end. And here you can see this is the or of this one and it's not, and assign it to this one. And you can see this is the non-blocking, okay, because from here we can find that when you write something like this is not blocking assignment, okay, not blocking assignment. We know about it. And the end module, okay. Let me run it in my Quartus. Actually, something that is important for you. For this lab sheet, you should send me this file, one file for the DF, because in the lab sheet you have for example SR, you have a DF, you have a TF, T flip-flop. Actually, I summarize it. SR latch, you have a D flip-flop, you have a T flip-flop, and you have a J-K flip-flop, and you have a counter, okay. So you should send me these files, DF, JK, SR, TF, and the counter. So you should send me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So each one has this file. This one has the same, this one has the same. So please, for each project, for each part of this lab sheet, make a new project. When you make a new project, you find all this file, okay. So when this project is finished, the flip-flop is finished, close the Quartus and open the Quartus again, and and open the Quartus and open new project and everything as before, but this one for the JK. And when the JK is finished, again close the Quartus, again open the Quartus and write the new project for example SR, and again write a new project for the TF and T flip-flop and for the counter, okay. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 files, and you can put all these files in one file, for example lab number 6, and just compress it and send it to me. Otherwise you have a problem. If you write all of them in the one project, you may have some error, and that's why you get confused. And what's the error? Because the error may be because of the naming, maybe because of the different gate, maybe because of the name of the gate or something like this. That's why if you separate your project, and each time you close and open your Quartus and open the new project and do everything at from the beginning, it will be very fine and you will not have any error, okay. Now let me open my project for the first one. For the, let me check this one, SR latch, okay. So let me check SR latch. I write it before. Now you know how to open this one. But let me do something else, because it is the Verilog language. It's the first time we're using the Verilog language. Let me write the Verilog language